We all love SUVs, they're powerful, bold, and can conquer rough terrains. But have you ever wondered why most SUVs, even expensive ones, are not really fast? Today, using the Mercedes G-Wagon as our reference, let's break down why SUVs are not built for speed and how their aerodynamics work against them. Before we dive into SUVs, let's understand the basic concept of aerodynamics. Every vehicle moving through air faces drag. The more streamlined the shape, the easier it is to cut through air, and the faster it can go. Now let's take the G-Wagon. This is a perfect example of how SUVs sacrifice speed for rugged design. The flat front, boxy roofline, and high ride height all increase aerodynamic drag, making it much harder to go fast efficiently. Compare that with a sedan or sports car, which is low, curved, and designed to slice through air. Their drag coefficient is often between 0.25 to 0.3, nearly half of an SUV. Most SUVs are taller and heavier. This higher center of gravity means they're less stable at high speeds. That's why sedans feel planted and SUVs feel floaty on highways. SUVs are made for strength off-roading and rough terrain, not top speeds. That's why you'll find them with powerful engines but limited speed. They need torque, ground clearance, and strength, not track-level aerodynamics. Even high-performance SUVs like the G63 AMG or Lamborghini Urus can't match sedans in top speed. That's because no matter how much power you add, aerodynamic drag increases exponentially with speed. So next time someone asks why SUVs are not built for top speeds like sedans, you'll know the answer. It's not just about horsepower, it's all about aerodynamics, shape, and purpose. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Tech Explorer 31 for more real-world engineering insights.